Tennessee is making national headlines in the fight against the coronavirus after a White House report recently named the volunteer state as the worst in the country for COVID-19 spread. News 12's Keenan Scott spoke with a local doctor about what this means for the next phase of the pandemic. He joins us now live in the studio with the details. Keenan.
Emily, it comes with a surge in hospitalizations that have pushed local health systems to their breaking point. Erlanger's Dr. Jay-Sizemore says it's the worst that it has been since the start of the pandemic nearly 17 months ago. The volunteer state is breaking national records, and not in a good way.
Hospitalizations and ICU admits currently are at their highest level ever.
A recent White House report says that Tennessee is the worst state in the country for coronavirus spread. And on the ground locally, Dr. Jay-Sizemore with Erlanger says hospitals have reached their breaking point.
I think there will be some reprieve at some point, but how close that next threat is, if there is that threat, how close it is, it's hard to say with any degree of certainty.
That next threat comes in the form of additional variants, and with rumors of some that are vaccine resistant, Dr. Sizemore says not to give up hope.
The vaccines are very malleable. I mean, we can adjust in a relatively quick manner to the variations so that we could protect against any of those strains as well.
He says that numbers show a stark difference between highly vaccinated and low vaccinated states like Tennessee.
And the adult admissions have been blunted in those states compared to states like Tennessee, where we've not only seen dramatic increases in adult admissions, but also childhood admissions.
And while there is a way out, Dr. Sizemore says it will take a community effort to change.
There are systems and there are tools in place that will work.
The Tennessee Department of Health reports that the state has not had fewer than 3,000 hospitalizations on a given day since August 25th. Live in studio, Keenan Scott, News 12 Now.